Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am sharing with different amazing, incredible shared guest houses, design, architectures, ideas. Yeah, in this video you can see that and pick the ideas if you are planning your shared guest houses in a different area. A shared guest house is a versatile and a practical solutions for those seeking the additional living space or accommodations on their property. It's a small, self-contained structure built using the framework of a traditional shed, but designed and the outfit to provide the comfort and the convenience for the guest. Measuring around the 300 square feet, a shed guest house typically features a compact layout that maximizes the available space. The exterior designs can vary, ranging from a rustic cabin like the appearance to more modern and the sleek aesthetics, depending on a personal preference and the overall styles of the property. Inside the shed guest houses is a thoughtfully designed to create a welcoming and a comfortable environment. The layout typically include a main living area, a small a small kitchens and wet bars and bathrooms with the showers and a cozy sleeping area, while the space is a compact. It is a carefully optimized to provide all the essentials um, amenities needed for a short-term stay. The interior of a shared guest house can be customized to reflect the owner's style and the preference. Decorative touches such as wall art, comfortable furnitures, and the tasteful lighting also very important and creating a very amazing and the eye-catching, cozy, inviting atmosphere. And the very clever storage solutions is also very important. These types of structures are often incorporated to the maximizing the space and ensure the functionality. One of the main advantages of the shared guest houses is its versatility. It can serve a variety of purposes such as hosting, visiting family and the friends, providing the temporary accommodations for a guest or tenants, or even serving as a home office or artist studios. It's a small size and the standard alone natures make it a flexible additions to any property. Yeah, if you like this type of video you can subscribe my channel, like and share it, and you can comment because your comment is very valuable for me. In terms of constructions, shared guest houses can be built by using a variety of materials, including the wood, metals, or combination of both. The choice of materials depend on the factors such as climates, budgets, and the personal preferences also. Proper insulations and the ventilations are the essentials to ensure the air around comfort for guests. Yeah, you can see that, and you can more video you can see, and click on the bell icons for giving the more video these type of home decors and other things, because your home is very beautiful and attractive, then you look like feel very amazing and comfortable. However, the shared guest houses offer a practical and attractive solutions for a homeowner looking to expand their living space or provide the comfortable accommodations for guests. It combines the functionality and styles in the compact packages, providing a cozy retreat for visitors while completing the overall aesthetic of the property. Yeah, you can see that triangle shapes and the rectangular shapes, you can see that, and different amazing ideas. Yeah, You can see that there is a container type and outside of accommodations area you can build. And interior design is also very important. The shapes of triangles are very eye-catching and interactive. Yeah, you can see that outside of for a sitting area, and very amazing things. And the gardening touch is very awesome. The lighting is very important. Yeah, you can see that the overall map of the houses. Thank you for watching.